Static electricity. Introduction. Insulators can be charged by rubbing, but conductors cannot be charged this way. Conductors can be charged using two methods, conduction and induction. Charging a conductor by conduction. The conductor is physically touched by a charged body. The conductor acquires the same type of charge as the charging body. Example, charging a metal rod A with a positive charge. Metal rod A is placed on an insulating stand. A positively charged glass rod B is touched to metal rod A. Some positive charge from B is transferred to A. After removing rod B, metal rod A remains positively charged. Explanation: the positively charged rod B removes electrons from rod A. Rod A becomes positively charged. Note: insulators cannot be charged by conduction because they lack free electrons. Charging a conductor by induction. The conductor is not touched but brought close to a charged body. The near end of the conductor gets an opposite charge. The far end of the conductor gets a similar charge as the charging body. Example, charging a metal rod A negatively. Place rod A on an insulating stand. Bring a positively charged glass rod B near rod A. The end closer to B, end P, becomes negatively charged. The far end, end Q, becomes positively charged. If end Q is touched by hand, electrons move from the ground to neutralize the positive charge. Removing the hand and glass rod B simultaneously makes rod A negatively charged. Explanation: the glass rod B attracts electrons from rod A. When grounded, electrons move to rod A, making it negatively charged. Note: to charge a rod positively, an ebonite rod rubbed with fur is used. Detecting charge. Pith bowl electroscope. A charged pith bowl repels when brought near a similarly charged object. It attracts if the object has an opposite charge. Gold leaf electroscope. Has two thin gold leaves attached to a brass rod. If a charged object is brought near, the leaves separate if the object is charged. If the leaves remain together, the object is uncharged. To identify positive or negative charge, if a positively charged electroscope makes the leaves separate more, the object is positively charged. If the leaves come closer, the object is negatively charged. Atmospheric electricity. Benjamin Franklin's experiment. Franklin used a kite with a metal key during a thunderstorm. Sparks appeared between the key and his knuckle. Explanation: clouds become charged due to friction. The charge flows through the kite string to the key. His knuckle acquired the opposite charge by induction, producing sparks. Lightning. Lightning occurs when opposite charges in clouds and the ground discharge. It can cause fires, injuries, and damage. Safety precautions during lightning: avoid standing under trees or tall buildings. Stay indoors in a safe building. If in a vehicle, keep windows closed. Do not use umbrellas in open areas. If outdoors, crouch low instead of lying down. Unplug electronic devices. Avoid bathing or using running water. Stay away from metal railings and windows. Lightning conductors. Metal rods installed on buildings direct lightning safely to the ground.